Welcome to this brief overview of the TDS Health platform. Let's get started. When you first log into the TDS Health homepage, you will see a combination of default panels or those that are tailored to your subscription. To access the titles in your specific StatRef library subscription, click on the button at the top left section of the screen that says Titles. You may also click into the StatRef panel on the platform homepage in order to access the same list of titles. Once on the Titles page, use the drop-down menu to see titles based on specialty or use the filter tool to find a title by name. You can also use the ABC menu on the right to jump to titles that start with that letter. Next, to use the search functionality of the platform, go to the top of the screen to the search bar and enter a term. You may also use the drop-down menu on the left side of the search bar to search all resources or filter the results by image, news, and more. When browsing through a title, you will be able to add a page to your favorites, view citations, link to the current page, or print. On the left side of the page is the table of contents. When scrolling through a title, you will notice that the table of contents follows you down the page. You may also click into a table of contents in order to view a particular chapter or section. Another thing to note is that if you double-click on any word within the title, the definition of that word from Stedman's Medical Dictionary will appear. To narrow down your results even further when searching in a title, use the menu on the left side of the screen to filter by titles, date range, related concepts, and other advanced search filters. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Results tab, which allows you to view all of the search results, as well as images, video and audio media, evidence alerts, and more. Next, we'll look at creating a profile. Creating a profile allows you to customize your experience, as well as allows you access via the StatRef mobile app using the Anywhere Login Account feature. On the TDS Health platform page, click the button on the top left-hand side of the screen that says Profile, then click the button that says Register. For full instructions on creating a profile and using the StatRef mobile app, please refer to our StatRef mobile app video. For any help information, please refer to the Help portal, which can be found at the top right-hand side of the screen. Or please feel free to contact us anytime that you have any questions or are in need of any help at support@tetondata.com. Take care and thanks for watching.